An Oregon woman named Sadie Renee Johnson started a 50,000-acre wildfire and later told authorities that her firefighter friends were bored and needed work. Rap rage is an actual condition when you feel extreme level of anger and frustration because you are unable to open product packaging. Andre Stander, a South African policeman and criminal, robbed bank on his lunch break and often returned as the investigating officer. In 2012, an American girl, Nicole Delian, slept for 64 days due to rare disorder called a sleeping beauty syndrome. In Denmark, it is illegal to publicly burn or desecrate every nation's flag except their own. In medieval Germany, married couples could legally settle their disputes by fighting a marital duel. To even the field, the man had to fight from inside a hole with one arm tied behind his back. The woman was free to move and was armed with a sack filled with rocks. A red strip on the medicine means that the drug cannot be sold or used without the advice of a doctor or without a prescription. Medicines are stripping red to prevent improper use of antibiotics. Most of the poisons are bitter in taste, but did you know no one ever knew how potassium cyanide tastes? It is very poisonous hard powder. Even a small pinch can kill human within fraction of second. Penguin legs are longer than they look and they actually have knees. South Korea used to have actual fashion police who would go around measuring the miniskirt length of women. If they were deemed too short, the woman could be fined or arrested. Alexander Graham Bell was given his middle name as a birthday gift after asking to have a middle name like his two brothers. His father gave him Graham for his 11th birthday. While many people assume that the earth's oxygen comes from rainforest, but 50 to 85% of the oxygen on earth's atmosphere is generated by little marine plant called phytoplankton. Originally, the Eiffel Tower was going to be erected in Barcelona, but the project was rejected because citizens thought it was an eyesore. In the 1950s, an oil businessman in Texas got a lion as a family pet. It never caused any problems and even gave piggyback rides to the kids. It became like a member of the family and eventually died of old age. Richard Harris, the actor who played Dumbledore in Harry Potter, only accepted the role because his 11 years old granddaughter said she would never speak to him again if he did not take it. Newborn dogs are born blind and deaf. Most puppies' sight and hearing become useful after about 2 weeks. All NBA courts are made of maple woods, which is strong but also flexible to help players jump and land safely. The oldest person in history, Jean Calment, smoked cigarette from the age of 21 until she was 117. She quit 5 years before her death at the age of 122. A man from Texas once tried to shoot an armadillo, but its armor deflected the bullet right back at his face. Android OS was firstly designed for DSLR cameras, but accidentally due to some mistakes in system, it got designed for phones. Denmark is one of the most happiest country in the world with 33 hours work in a week, $20 minimum wages, free universities and education, free medical care, free childcare and low level of corruption. Dutch designer created innovative classroom stools that encourage healthy posture with 4 available sitting positions. He spent 17 years building a Lamborghini from scratch in his basement and then smashed a hole in his house to get it out. An ostrich can kick hard enough to kill a human and has been known to kill lion with one single well-placed kick. Disturbing a person while they are sleeping can increase the risk of permanent brain damage. Each episode of The Simpsons takes 6 months to make because the animation was still hand-drawn instead of being drawn by a computer. This is Homotherium, a saber-toothed tiger that went extinct 30,000 years ago. Back in 1960, France conducted nuclear tests in the Sahara Desert. Now, due to strong winds, the radioactive dust is coming back to France. The world's littlest skyscraper scam committed on Wichita Falls, Texas. The designer said the building would be 480 in height. Investors assumed it was 480 feet, not 480 inches, and soon realized they invested $2 lakh in a 4-story building. They lost in court and the builder kept the money. Most of us are familiar with the three monkeys, that means see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. But there is a fourth one that symbolizes the principle of do no evil. Bear Grylls broke his back after falling from 16,000 feet due to a torn parachute. Doctors said he would not be able to walk again. 2 years later, he climbed the Mount Everest. This is the Infinity Burial Suit made from mushroom and is designed to deliver you to nature quicker and cleaner. The Chinese government encouraged the country's tallest female basketball player to marry the country's tallest man. Their child was Yao Ming.